working in the space and who is there already, who has been exploring already. So it's good that some mentor is there and who is guiding. Like I think Anirudh, you are doing a very good job, like mentoring all the. It's really appreciable. Right?
Thank you
Good.
so much. Before that, let's try to understand how your journey is. You are basically from Nagpur, right?
Yes, yes. I'm from Nagpur only. So I done my engineering from Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, and after that, after engineering, I joined from college only. I got a placement, but didn't take a placement at that time, and I did a job at an agency because in third year or fourth year only it was clear that I don't want to go into tech job. I want to go into creative field. So I joined an agency. I worked there for 1 year. Then I applied at Smallcase and I got selected. Since then, I'm here only. It's almost this year in June. It will be 5 years at Smallcase.
Wow,
So,
that's good.
yeah, it's a long journey. But yes, I have learned a lot of things at Smallcase and started while I joined. I was very new and very new at that time. But over the time, I have got such a good managers, such good mentors, and I've learned a lot of things. And now this catching up with the trend is really important. So I hopped into AI in last 2 years back. From since last 2 years, I'm exploring AI for video, and it's been a very good journey. Now,
Wonderful. Now, again, so one of the things what makes me curious is you did engineering, but you told that you already knew and you were very clear that you wanted to go into the creative. How easy or how difficult was it to move? And second, how was the path to migrate?
so migration path was not that difficult because I have made up my mind in third year. If I would have done a job in tech field at least 1 or 2 years, then it would be difficult for me to move because I have knowledge of both the things. In college, we are like a softball, or we can say a soft. Correct, we can mold ourselves. So that is the best time where we can decide what we want to do, and we should stick to that whatever we have decided. So once it was clear, like it's not that easy that I have. The selection was also not that easy because when I was in college, I have there were some seniors who were into filmmaking, video editing, YouTubing. So I started my YouTube journey there in college. So I had a YouTube channel at that time, and I did this for at least 1 or 2 years. At that time, I was confident enough that I can do video editing and I am built for this field. So you will have to start working and start doing things in your college days, early days, so that you have experience and you will get a knowledge in whatever things, and you will explore enough that you can select whatever you want to go.
Correct. Makes sense.
If you explore, you are not like that capable, that you will not have that confidence that whatever I'm selecting, that is good or not. So exploring is important. Yeah.
And then once you were into the video editing part, and then you told that you applied to Smallcase and then moved to Bangalore and started your journey. You had very good mentors. How were you introduced to AI, and how and when was it roughly? And then since then, how has life changed?
AI, like AI also, I also got to know from the social media only. In early days, very few people were there who were creating videos using AI, and I was amongst them because whenever at that time I used to see videos and all. Those were mostly social media stuff. I from beginning only I'm creating video ads. I'm into performance marketing and creating ads segment. Okay. So there were I was it's like I knew that demand is going to increase in this space. So I just gave it a try. I'll just create something from AI. So from that I started exploring. Then I followed some YouTubers. Then got a small mini course. Was that I got that mini course and I start learning. And the main thing was interest. I had interest in that because there were few limitations without AI. Like you will see in the session also, few things are there which used to take a lot of time earlier. Like for example, if you want to create some 3D elements, it will take like if you create it with Blender is a tool. It will take around 1 or 2 days. With AI, you can do it in like 3-4 minutes. So it's very fast, and my brain or my learning is like that. Ki whatever things you can do with shortcut, uh, should not take a shortcut, but at least you can try ki from where on you are getting a lot of resources easily. Grab those resources, learn it, and move ahead. Okay, so that is one of the philosophy which I follow. Ki from wherever we get knowledge, we just acquire and just move forward.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Perfect. So, yeah, I mean, now we have a fair understanding about how you migrated, and it completely shows that you are very much passionate driven and you have very much clarity that what you wanted to do in your life since your third year. And it shows that you have taken that effort to pursue and putting some extra time from your academic time to do all of these things, learn all of these things, and then obviously ride the wave of the upcoming AI trend and created something on your own without being told, right? So that is the
Correct.
one characteristic what I feel is very important, and you have that. You have shown it. Now, yeah. So you had a presentation, right?
Yeah, I'll just
Do you
present
want to
it.
show it now?
Sure. I can start.
Perfect.
Is there any option for students to message?
There is.
So yes, it's a small presentation. I'll just
Go
walk
ahead.
you. So all the students, I just want you to guess which one is AI and which one is real. So after this slide, you'll get the answer which one is it. So I just want you guys to give it a chance which is AI and which is not. Seeing the answers, left one or right one. There are few images. We'll just check. Yes, Anirudh, you can also reply.
Yes, I am just trying to create a poll, and if people wants to give, probably the right one is AI.
Okay. I think students have not answered yet. We'll wait for 5 more seconds. Okay. So this is the answer. Right one is real. The left one is AI.
Wow.
Next, can you answer this? Which one is AI? Left or right?
Left one is AI.
Correct. This is correct. Here.
Left one is AI.
Again, correct. This is a little bit tough.
Left one is AI.
Both are real.
Ah.
So I just wanted to prove a point that now we have reached at a stage where humans are not able to even identify which one is AI and which one is. So my Insta feed at least is that like that. Even your feed also might be there. Every second or third reel is AI generated, and you can't even notice that this is AI generated. So like that, the things are moving right now. So the biggest question is AI killing creativity? So my answer to that is AI is not a replacement; it's an evolution. So when Photoshop came, a lot of people were like surprised ki now photographers, there is no need of photographers, and for what photographers will do and all. But Photoshop became a tool which is complement to photographers, because photographers click an image and they refine it into Photoshop. Correct. So similarly, AI is just a tool. There is no need to fear कि यार AI अपना job ले लेगा and we don't have to work anything and there is no job, and so it's not like that. AI is just a tool. If you use AI for your benefit, then you will go miles ahead. So you need to use AI as your friend and not fear it. So biggest advantages of using AI is like definitely faster turnaround. You everyone might have known this ki faster turnaround, better brainstorming. So better brainstorming, why better brainstorming? So that is because earlier, if you want to start something, okay, you need to start from scratch. You don't have much ideas, and you have to a lot. But now, since LLMs are there, LLMs now ChatGPT, Gemini, all these tools are there. So you can just chat with them and generate a few ideas. Rather than starting with blank, you are starting with some ideas, and whenever you progress on the project, you get to know a lot of things and you improve that project. So this is one of the biggest upside. Then hiring demand. So it's definitely like even in our office also, and I've seen some articles where like if people who are up to date with AI or who are working actively into AI, their hiring chance get 50 to 70% more. If
Oh,
they are, yeah, if they are up to date with AI, so it's now need. It's not like कि तुमको आता है कि नहीं. It's a need now. ठीक है, तो definitely you should learn AI and you should get into it. And boost productivity, though everybody knows कि whatever, like even for me also, whichever freelance project if I am doing. So earlier, if one freelance project used to take like 1 week or 2 weeks, now I am able to complete that project into 2 or 3 days. So the runtime effort जो है वो it's like 50% less now. It's not like you are working less. ठीक है, you are able to work faster. That is it. You are not working less. You are able to work faster. So that is power of it. So this session I will keep mostly towards video and creative side. Will not get into tech part much. So since I'm more specialized into video and all, so we'll focus that. So there are three methods by which you can create video. There are more methods, but we'll focus mostly on three main uh, video generating efforts. So first is text to video. Sorry, this is video, not text, not image. First one is text to video, then image to video. Sorry. Method is like first we create an image. Okay. To create a video, we create an image first. So text to image, then image to video, then text to video. One of the thing is that. So to create an image, we need some prompt. Okay. So that prompt, how we can generate that, I'll just show you next. Essential prompt structure. How should be the prompt? Okay. So in a prompt, subject should be there, action should be there, style and context. So we'll just see with an example only. If I'm writing a prompt like create an image of a man holding a phone, okay, there is no detail in this prompt. Very less, like anyone can take it sideways also, like you will not understand what kind of setting is. But a good prompt can be editorial photo of a young Indian man. This is a subject holding a smartphone and checking notification. Here's the action. Minimal modern style with soft window light, high contrast, shallow depth field. This is the style. Indoor by a city facing window with blurred skyline in the background. So this is a really good prompt because here you have mentioned everything, whatever you are imagining in the image. Okay. So if your imagination is correct and if you are able to articulate it properly, you would able to get a very good image. Okay. So this kind of prompt we should write ideally, but everyone don't have that kind of knowledge. What is depth of field, what is soft window lighting, high contrast, what the normal person does not know all these things. A person who has experience of 5-10 years might know all these things should be there, and sometimes you are also not able to imagine this kind of image should be there. So for that you can rely on AI again, but at least something should be there which you are giving as an input. For example, here, even though it's a bad prompt, but you have an idea what you want. Correct. Create an image of a man holding up. Correct. So ideally, what we could have done is just go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt: create an image of a man holding a phone. Okay, and whatever you had in mind, for example, the background should be city facing and everything, just mention that and tell ChatGPT to give me a image prompt. Just mention that give me an image prompt. So this kind of prompt you will get from ChatGPT. Correct. So every time it's not that you only have to give all the inputs and create a like good prompt. You can get it from ChatGPT. Get the prompt from the system and utilize your energy and your brain for creativity. Okay. So this is the simple funda. Next, pro image prompting tips. So this comes under whatever we have discussed last slide only. If you had certain things in mind, like for example, for this image, okay, if I have to describe this image, so what would be the description? For after seeing this image only, it will be like maybe beveled edges are there, glass finish is there, material is glass. Then I want a clock. Okay, this is a clock. Then minimal, modern style. So all these keywords are there. These keywords you need to mention while generating, because whenever you mention some specific keywords, it will give a very good prompt for image generation. Okay. So always try to include or try to learn good quality keywords so that you can use them into your image generation and video generation. We'll discuss about some image models. So now really good image models have come in. Means I've been exploring image models since last 2.5 years, and I am able to see the difference now. It's like if you see images which are generated 1 year back and images we can generate now, there's a huge difference in that. It's like Nano Banana 2, which has been released recently. It's really good with all the human faces and accuracy and even text accuracy also. It's really good. Whatever means like 90% of work we can do using Nano Banana only. Whatever images you want to generate, even whatever specific product shot, human faces shot, or any kind of images which you want to generate, you can generate using Nano Banana. And second is this Seedream. Seedream 5 has also come in now. This Seedream 4.0 is the older one, but 5.0 has also launched already, and it's really good. The output quality is really good. Even here you can see in this sample, the dogs here are even single hair, they are visible. Correct. Very good quality output Seedream also gets. So it's like 90% of work is done by Nano Banana and Seedream. So whenever you want to try, just go with Nano Banana first. If image is not generated properly, then go with Seedream. They both are really good. And after that, this OG ChatGPT image generation, so it's there only. While in ChatGPT, everyone has used ChatGPT, correct? So in ChatGPT also you can generate images, but I personally don't like ChatGPT images. Even though now they have got their updated version also for image generation, but earlier version was really bad because whatever images it used to generate, it has certain pale color, yellowish tint was there in that images, and I personally hate those images. I then don't even try creating images using ChatGPT. But yes, now they have improved, and also it's free, so definitely you can use it at least for image generation. So after that, this Recraft AI is there. Whoever is into designing, so for designers, Recraft AI is really good because here you can generate images and vectorize them. So vector images you can generate using this Recraft AI. That once our images are generated, then we can move on to video models. There are a lot of video models out there, but a few video models which I personally like and I use regularly are these, like Kling AI and Seedance. These two models are like, they are 90 to 95% of my work. Means whatever images or whatever videos I generate, I use Kling AI and Seedance. Then third comes Bio, wherever I want person to talk. It's like talking video is there, the audio is there. So at that time I use VO3. Even though now Kling AI and Seedance also has the features of sound effects and voiceover. But for voiceover, I think VO3 is better than this Kling AI. And Kling AI also has now edit feature. So whatever Instagram videos and all you guys see, a lot of like 90% of the time it is happened like it's done using Kling AI. So Kling AI is really powerful, and I think definitely you should explore that. Like whenever you log in, after logging in, you get this free credits. So with free credits, you can try out and create a few videos. Definitely, you should try. The Seedance accessing directly is not possible because this is a Chinese model, and for this you will have to turn on your VPN, and using VPN you can do it. It's a ByteDance. It's like Seedance is by ByteDance, and ByteDance is a parent company of TikTok. So TikTok has a lot of data, and that's why the Seedance model is really powerful because it is trained on all the data which is by users from TikTok. So it's really good, very realistic output. Vio, though everyone knows, it's a model by Google, and it is also good. But I personally feel these two models are way better than Vio. Hailu AI, it's also Chinese model, and its cinematic output is really good. Even here also you might be able to see the output which Hailu AI produces. It's of which you can say Hollywood level quality. Even though it's not that high resolution, it's 1080 only maximum you can generate 1080 resolution, but the output is really good. So if you are into short films and all, and if you want to create a short film, you should definitely check out Hailu AI. Other than that, this LTX model is there. It's a US based model, and its output is also very good. Means one example I would like to give this. टीवी क्या चाहता है मेरी मजबूरी, जब तक पैसे नहीं मिलते मैं चैन से नहीं बैठ सकता. So this one video I have created earlier, which was just an experiment. This video, in both the videos, it's a single prompt. Yeah, I have single prompt I've given to LTX, and again that prompt I've given to VO3. Okay, but the output quality of VO3 and LTX was very different. And here I have not mentioned even ki it should be a older style and everything. I just mentioned that it's a Bollywood style. So while looking also you'll be able to recognize that this looks really good. LTX. Okay, it's just text to video format, and the output I really like this LTX2. So that's why I think this is even this model is expensive also. I rarely use this model because again I said ki whatever work I do, even 90% of my work is done with Seedance and Kling AI. So we can stay focused to those models only. This is just an addition, just for information. You can take it as a pinch of salt. Now let's try to create something. Okay. So I'll just minimize this. Let's go to Gemini. I have a pro account of Gemini. Okay. Anyone who wants to suggest ki what should we generate or what should we create? Maybe simply we'll just go. I'll just select on myself only. Here either we can click on this create image. Yeah, here also the options are there. Create image. We can directly type also generate an image of this. So I'll just click here create image, and I'll write a dog playing in garden. catching your ball, evening, sunset time, small clip. Okay, just this description I have given, and I just write here. You generate an image using this description. Here, generating prompt is not required because Gemini is smart enough and it will take care of it. So, image generation process has already started. It will take a few seconds. Usually, it generates it's like already generated. So, this kind of output we got. Here you can see the dog is catching the ball clearly. A small kid is playing with his father. So whatever things we have mentioned, and it has generated. And also you will get this Gemini logo every time. This Gemini logo, if you want to remove, you just go to Photoshop and you can remove. So now that we have already got an image, if you want to animate this image or if you want to create a video out of this image, how we can do it? So again, here on Gemini only directly you can just prompt and give. So you can just talk directly here like you are talking to a friend or just giving a command like now create a video of this image where dog is playing catching a ball. Father, son are working. Manager. Simple prompt I have given, nothing fancy. This dog is catching this ball and father and son are enjoying how the dog is playing. Okay, now it will start generating a video. Video might take some time. It might take around 1 or 2 minutes. It's already written 1 or 2 minutes it will take. Till then we can move ahead with our presentation, and again we'll come back to this. I wanted to discuss is this using AI. There are a lot of capabilities like these icons I have generated using AI. This left side icons which are visible. Someone has created all these icons, and I found this on Pinterest. So I have given this image as a reference, and using this image, I have generated all these icons, which are for Bitcoin and Bitcoin website. So crypto website, for example. So this is the prompt which I have given this image as a reference, and I have got this image. Similarly, using that image, I have generated this video. So earlier it was very difficult and it was very tiring process to create this kind of video. This I have created in like 15 to 20 minutes. It's really easy. So just wanted to tell you all the capabilities that yes, AI is very powerful, and you should definitely try it out and get into it as soon as possible. This is some of the other examples which I have tried out. So these icons we can generate using AI, and this is how we can integrate the AI video which we have generated into websites. So this card I have created, and uh, this jewel is there which is rotating. This is also generated using AI. Our video, we'll just take a look at the video. How realistic and how well the video has been generated. The physics is also really good. Here one issue is there. See here, the ball is coming down and one ball is into his hand, and here two balls are coming. So this is hallucination. So AI is also not perfect. So sometimes it will give good results, sometimes it will not. So this is example of hallucination clearly. So here we'll see what hallucinations are and why it occurs. So the process ideally is we get an idea. Okay, that idea we convert into some text. Text means like text is prompted. Okay, that prompt we give to AI and we get a final prompt. Okay, that final this is the ideal. Hey, we have an idea, give it to AI, and we get a final result. But it is not like that. The final process is like we get an idea, we give as a reference image or text, then we get to AI, then that after processing with AI we get an output. Okay. Likewise here we got the output. Okay. But here we are not that satisfied. The output is not good because the hallucinations are happening. Okay. So if the output is not good, we go to input again. Okay. So we will just check the what is the prompt, if there is something wrong, or if you want to specify something else. So here we can go to ChatGPT on this Gemini and say this only one ball should be there in the frame, no two balls in the frame, like example. Okay. So like that we need to refine the prompt again. Whatever original prompt we have given, that we need to refine again. Correct. So this process can be infinite. Okay, but ideally 3 or 4 times when you try to generate. So this video, if I generate once again with changing the prompt or with changing the image, sometimes what happens if this image is not that good, we might have to change the image itself first, and after changing the image, then again we will have to generate the video. So this process takes time. It's not like you first just give an idea, we'll have to just create an image and we'll get the result. It's not like that. So it's a infinite loop type. So but 3 to 4 times you try it out, or else try another model. So this kind of things are there, and this is a part of process. Correct. Then next, there are some limitations right now. So resolution cap as in whatever output we are getting right now, that is limited to 1080p. Okay. So video you see on YouTube, the 1080p video is there. So if you want to generate 4K output, that is not there. There is possibility with some models, but the output is not that good quality of 4K. Still, you can say there is resolution cap. Then length restriction. One video if you are generating, that can be 8 to 12 seconds. Maximum 15 seconds. The C-dance model which is there, it gives up to 15 seconds. But more than, if you want to generate a 1 minute video, it's not possible right with AI. So that is issue with all these models. Then complex scenes and censorship. Complex scenes as in here which video which I have generated. Here some high action things are there. High action things means like the dog is jumping and catching the ball and everything. That is related to action. Wherever high actions are there, it faces a problem. So here also we saw the live example only the ball which is there, 2 balls came out and the ball is coming down, and then also the dog has catched the ball. So all these things come in, but I think these all things might get rectified in some months or maybe 1 year, but I don't think so 1 year is required. Maybe in next 6 months and all these things will be get sorted. So censorship is there. It's like if you are generating video using this Gemini, which is VO3. So if you give a image of a kid, for example, small kid image, if you give, it will not generate a video. So it will say that we can't generate a video of kid. So this censorship is there. So some scenes are there. Like for example, one of the projects I was working with Swiggy. So there one kid was there. The kid's dialogue was "Amma dosa chahiye." This was the dialogue, "Amma dosa chahiye," but it was not able to generate because the model only has a restriction because due to censorship. So that is there, and consistency issues are there sometimes. Like for example, if I'm creating video of myself, I give my image as a reference, and I create a video. In the beginning, it will be good. After 3 or 4 seconds, the face structure changes a little bit. So those are some of the issues. These are some current limitations. But like other than that, there are some benefits which definitely there. So AI production is like faster turnaround. So whatever shoot thing. So in our office also we used to shoot a few things which were required. So for that, it used to take like 1 or 2 days of shoot. After that, editing and cost is like our per month budget for shooting and everything was 1,50,000 per month. Now it's like we are creating 90% of our ads using AI. So this is a really huge difference, I would like to say, because if you are creating such scale of video ads, so 1,50,000 is saved every month. It's like zero cost now. Only the tools which are getting, those are being paid, and that is one-time subscription. We have got all the year subscription. Traditional way is really slow and high cost, so that's why now AI video production, AI production, and all these fields are getting a lot of scope, and this is going to increase day by day. And likewise in Corona times, what happened? There was a huge demand for video guys. Now also it's the same time. Anyways, the war situation is there. Don't know what will happen, but yes, now this is the time where you can get into this field and excel in this field using AI. So you should definitely adopt AI for this. So there are some examples I'll just show you. This is the first video which I have created using AI. This was created 2 years back. You can just take a look at it.
Every cup of coffee begins with a journey from our fans to your hands. Handpicked with care, each bean is carefully sorted. Fresh for you. In our cafes, skilled baristas bring out the best in every cup, crafted with passion and precision. Taste the essence of farm-to-cup freshness. Blue Tokai coffee. Freshness in every sip.
It was the very first ad of mine which I have created, and everyone really liked it, because at that time very few people were there who were creating ads using AI. And on LinkedIn, when I posted this, it got around 60 to 70,000 impressions, and which is itself is really good. So yes, like this capability is there.
Papa.
This is one of the ad which I did for PhonePe. There was a competition in-house, and we won first prize in that. So just take a look at this.
ये लिया है शगुन का गोल्ड, आप भी मत भूलिएगा।
लगता है घर में दिवाली की पूरी तैयारियां चल रही है मैडम।
हाँ भैया, थोड़ा शगुन जरूरी होता है ना। आपने खरीदा कुछ?
मैडम हम कहाँ, हमारे लिए तो मिठाई ही काफी है।
अरे भैया, अब सोना आपके फोन पे मिलता है। हाँ, सिर्फ 10 रुपए से खरीद सकते हो फोन पे डिजिटल गोल्ड। इस बार मिठाई के साथ थोड़ा सोना भी खरीद लीजिए। इस धनतेरस हर जेब में सोना। फोन पे डिजिटल गोल्ड।
So this was the ad which won. There, like we got around 1 lakh worth of digital gold.
I'm the king of the.
This is one of the ad which I created for a client. It's a US based client, and they really liked it. This was also generated long back. It's like around 1.5 years back I've created this ad.
Jungle, but not anymore.
Where's my king's room? King's room comes at a king's cost. Lifestyle high, expenses high, credit card interest high.
Get an AI-powered AmeriSave loan to pay off credit cards and save hundreds each month.
Feel like a king again. Get cash quickly. Smarter way to save.
So this was the ad, and I found it funny also. But yeah, I enjoyed the process and enjoyed the creation which I did this.
What makes
This is one of the example again I did for my company.
India's defense sector unstoppable? It's the invisible army of suppliers. Critical components from companies you've probably never heard of. Find curated portfolios of companies propelling defense growth only on Smallcase. Investment in securities market.
So it's like if you are able to see ki whenever you are using traditional video editing plus AI video creation, you get a really good output. So it's not like ki if you are a AI video creator and you are generating videos using AI, you should not learn video editing. So whatever traditional video editing is there, that you should definitely learn and you should get into it. Okay. After that, whatever new technology is coming, that he grabs. So traditional video editing, learning Premiere Pro, After Effects, that is not going anywhere. That you should learn definitely. And with that, you should side by side learn AI video creation and implement all those things into our video editing. So these are some of the free tools which I have listed here. You can check them out. I'll share this presentation link with you all. And I'll just wrap up quickly now. I think we have done with the time also already. So here you are able to see this image. I have just to try, just to give you guys a gist, you should try at least creating an image by yourself. So if you want to generate this kind of image, this prompt is already written. Okay. You just go to Gemini once and put this prompt and create a video so that you will get a hands-on experience. If you are generating an image, what is the process? So I just want you guys to try it out. So that's why this sample image and prompt is written. I think some issue came, my laptop just turned off. But yes, these are some of the sample. I just share my screen once again.
Your screen is not visible.
Yeah. Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yeah. So these are some of the sample which I have shared prompts. So you just try out these prompts and create these cute little images also. And yes, if there are any questions, you can definitely ask. And yeah, I can hand over this to Anirudh now. If there are any questions, you guys definitely can ask.
Done?
Yeah, I think there are a few questions. What skills should we start learning now to stay relevant in 2030? 2030 is long now. Now, currently, you should start. Like there is a difference. Like what you want to pursue first. First, in the beginning, what we discussed is like you will have to select first where you want to, because now there is abundance of knowledge. You can't learn everything. There are a lot of things now. So it's like you will have to decide first in which field you want to go. Like for example, if you want to go into AI, so if you want to go into design field or video editing or creative field, then you'll have to decide it. And once your decision is done, you can start taking steps like that. So once you are into creative field, then you'll have to select you want to design, or you want to go into motion or video editing. Okay. So once you have selected that, and once you have selected that, you will know that there are a lot of things, and you will select your path accordingly, and you will explore everything on your own. Okay. So if you want to go into creative video editing and all, definitely your basic should be clear. Video editing. For video editing, you can select any tool like you can go with Premiere Pro, After Effects. Premiere Pro and After Effects, these are some of the basic tools I would say now, and you should definitely master them. Once you have mastered these tools, you can go into this field and the video editing field is such a vast field. A lot of requirements would be coming in next 2 to 3 years. So yes, I think this is the basic thing. Basic things are there should be relevant in 2030, 2040, 2045. Basic things yours should be there. And main thing is that the creative thinking. So you will develop these things whenever you do work, and whatever you want to create, whatever you are thinking, you are able to visualize it. This is creative thinking. So slowly and steadily you will get into it. So what portfolio projects actually get noticed today? Here also it depends on which what kind of projects you are creating. But yes, it's not limited. Like for example, if I am a recruiter, okay, what he will look into is whatever projects you have done. In that projects, your creative thinking and your ability of using the tools is good or not. If you are good with the tools and you have some sense of things how the thing should look, so that person will stand out. Okay. But yes, the projects which you are saying, though, for example, for video editing at least, you can try creating some product video, event video. So these kind of videos you can create with AI. Try to do a photo shoot. Okay. If you are applying for a job, which company is creating, for example, this omega-3 capsules it's creating. Okay. So with AI, you should be able to do the photo shoot of this. Okay. If you in your portfolio the photo shoot of these is there, then you would stand out. For example, I would like to share my portfolio. I'll just share my screen. Portfolio I have created long back, means like again around 1.5 years back I have created. So this website also I have created using Whitecode. V0 is the tool which I have used, and using this V0 tool I have created this website. So whatever work I have done, I have listed it down here. Not loaded yet, but yes, here you can directly click on the video and the video will be played. My network is a little bit slow.
No problem. You are audible.
Yes.
अच्छा, ये application का है. We have one more question. What one skill people are ignoring today that will become very valuable soon?
Just a second. What one skill are everyone ignoring today? I think traditional video editing or traditional coding, which is there. The basic things are there. Basic things are getting vanished today, because whatever new people are coming into industry, they think like the basic things will not work. But if your basics are not clear, then you will not able to create good quality stuff in future. Because whatever you will create using white coding or AI tools, those will be just hawabaji. Means like they'll just look good, but there will be no meaning in that. Okay. So that's what again I'm repeating. Basic things, basic video editing, basic coding knowledge should be there, and that you should definitely. And that
again,
everyone is ignoring.
Sometimes nowadays AI hallucinates. हम उसको कितने भी बार कुछ भी बताए स्पेसिफिक, तो भी वो उतना प्रिसीशन ऑब्वियसली थोड़े दिनों में आ जाएगा, बट वहां पहुंचता नहीं है कभी. उसके लिए फिर आपको बैक टू द रूट्स, ओरिजिनल टूल्स के पास मैनुअल में ही जाके वो चीजें करनी पड़ती है, राइट? So the roots will never change, and you should know the foundations at least to be good at AI generated stuff. It can be in any domain. It can be vibe coding, it can be video content, any kind of things. Perfect. All right, amazing. We are almost at 7, and I guess we have covered up all the Q&A sessions and questions as well. Perfect. Thank you so much, Ankit. You have been a wonderful guest. Probably not given me opportunity to be wonderful host, because you have taken care of all the questions yourself and had come prepared to this session like anything. Very, not only you have just helped us understand the scenario and demographics of the domain, but you have shown hands-on how all of these things are done. So a big thank you to you for taking out time and telling our audience how actually things are being done and how easy it is to pick up, but again making them cautious about that they don't need to miss out the scratch or the beginning or the foundation from where all of these things are to be started. Your journey is tremendous. It gives us immense pleasure to see a guy from Nagpur working in tech in Bangalore and doing good stuff, and then again coming back to such occasion and telling again to major crowd of our city and everyone in online mode as well about how well you are doing and how things are working around in the space of AI which you are leveraging. Again, a big thanks from Fireblaze side, and big thanks for Apeksha as well to finding out an amazing guest at this fireside chat episode at Fireblaze. Thank you so much for audience as well to listening. I am pretty sure that you have learned a lot and got a good flavor of about what all things are happening, I guess. And one more thing, I have a good idea that whatever you have shown is a teaser, right? I am pretty sure that we can go wide depth into all of this. And if you are really interested, everyone, to dive in deep, please do put your comments on wherever you watch this later on YouTube or Instagram. And if we get good interest from your end, we'll surely catch hold Ankit again to conduct a workshop around all of these topics and help us more to understand how things work. Would you be interested, Ankit?
Sure. We can talk about it.
Perfect. So he has already shared his Canva presentation, and I will also share his LinkedIn profile. So please do connect with him on LinkedIn as well. And again, thank you so much, audience, and thank you so much for taking out time, Ankit, today.
Thank you, Fireplace. And yes, keep doing the good job. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you this evening. Bye.